Comment nous y? Bienvenue à la chaîne YouTube préférée nous. Hello. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Hola. Bienvenido à ton canal de YouTube favorito. Salut. Bienvenue à votre chaîne de YouTube préférée.
Hello, welcome to our favorite YouTube channel. Welcome back to lontan. My name is Lontan or LP. In today's video, we're gonna talk more about verb tenses. And without delay, let's see them right quick. Let's go. En allez.
Lontan, Creole la saliva, non tout can avèk. Yo mélodie puis son plan, tout bout qui est grand.
Hello, it's your host Luna, and welcome back to lontan. Okay, now for past tense, we're gonna see almost the same thing. Simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. So we'll see the past tense with me already. Do we have any marker for simple past? The answer is yes, and if you remember it, it is the word te. Te. Te to indicate the past. And one example would be Mwen te danse hier soir. Mwen te danse hier soir. Yes soir. Yes soir. Okay? Mwen te danse hier soir. That's our marker. Translation. It means I danced last night. I danced last night. Okay? Now, let's go to past continuous. For past continuous, if you remember the marker we used in the present tense, it's gonna be the same marker. And we're gonna combine them together. We have te to indicate the past, and we have our marker ap to indicate the continuity. So we're gonna say te ap, which means tap. Okay? You can use the apostrophe, you can omit the apostrophe. This is Haitian Creole, simple and easy. Let's go. Te plus ap means past continuous time. Let's see an example with it. Mwen or li meaning she. Li tap danser avec. Li tap danser avec mwen, li tap danser avec. Meaning she was dancing with me. Right? Li tap danser avec. Te plus a. This is our marker here to indicate the past continuous. Li tap danser avec. She was dancing with me. Okay? Now, past perfect. If you remember the pattern we have with the present tense, it's gonna be the same thing with the past tense. But now, for the past perfect, we're gonna go back to our marker T. And this is the marker for past perfect. And use some complementary words to indicate also that the action was before some other action, or it was like will in the past. Now, the example will be Mwen te danse avant ou rive, ou te rive. Mwen te danse avant ou te rive. Mwen te danse avant ou te rive. Which means I had danced before you arrive. I have danced before you arrive. So, mwen te danse avant ou te rive. Okay? It's back to the te, the simple past marker, and some kind of other word which mean like avant, to say, okay, that was in the past before the other action. So, I have danced before you arrive. Mwen te danse avant ou te rive. Mwen te gentan manje avant ou te vin. Mwen te gentan manje avant bal la commence, bal la te commence. Mwen te gentan. Okay? You can use avant, gentan, déjà, depending on what you're trying to say, okay? And now, for past perfect continuous, we're gonna go back just like the pattern we see on the simple, put the simple on the present tense. It's gonna be like same thing. We're gonna go back to our past continuous marker, which is the te and the a, but we're gonna use tap. If I say te plus a, you already know this is tap. It's gonna be tap, and we're gonna use that plus something else. Like I could say an example. Li tap travail avant soleil levé. Avant soleil levé. It's our way to say this. But if you wanna be like, you wanna say avant soleil la te levé. Avant soleil la te levé. Okay? But we Haitian can say, l'état de travail avant soleil levé. L'état de travail avant soleil la te levé. Meaning, he had been working before sunrise. He had been working before sunrise. L'état de travail avant soleil la te levé. Or I can say he had been working before the explosion happened, right? Yeah. So l'état de travail avant explosion a été fait. L'état de travail avant que te prenne courant. An hour, yeah, back home, right? Before the blackout, avant blackout. Let's go recap of the past tense like we did for the present tense. So, simple past, we have the marker te. Example, when te dansé hier soir. I danced last night. And past continuous, we use te plus a. Remember the a for the continuity on the present tense. We use the combination of te plus a, which tap. We don't say te a, we say tap. When you hear tap, it's T apostrophe a. And if we put tap without the apostrophe, if I'm reading a sentence, I see tap before a verb, I know it's not tap. We have that as like tap, you know? But we're not gonna use tap without apostrophe here. But you can do it. You have freedom to do that with Haitian culture. Li tap danser avèk. She was dancing with me. Now, for past perfect, it's te and some complementary word depending on what you're trying to say. Mwen te danser avant ou te rive. Mwen te gentan ale avant balla te fini. Okay, if you like. Mwen te gentan ale avant balla te fini. I have left before the dance ended. Okay? So, mwen te danser avant ou te rive. I have danced before you arrived. Past perfect continuous. It's te plus a plus anything we did with this one. Li tap travay avant soleil la te leve. Li tap travay avant soleil nan te leve. He had been working before sunrise. Li tap joué boule avant ou te vini. Li tap joué basket avant ou te vini. Okay? So, he had been playing basketball before you came. Alright, I want to stop right here. And I will bring the future tense onto you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos. And the future tense will come on the next one. Alright, thank you.
À nous parler créole, yon l'homme qui si belle. Oui, créole, là c'est l'homme qui plus belle. Sous la terre parce qu'elle c'est la son. Avec cherche des